In today's video, I'll teach you how to compress video on Android. So if you want to compress the video, it is actually very simple. You can see over here right now the size of this video is 6.9 MB. So if you want to compress the video, the best way is to do it by using the CapCut application. So for that, what you have to do is simply open CapCut application on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here CapCut application has been opened. Tap on this option new project that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to select the video. Here I'm just going to select the video that I showed you earlier. Now once you do that, tap on this option add that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to edit the video. If you want to make any necessary edits, you can do it. Now right over here you'll be able to see the quality that is selected right now. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to adjust the resolution, frame rate, code rate, etc. So if you want to decrease the file size, what you can do is simply decrease resolution, frame rate and code rate. Simply decrease the resolution. Likewise also decrease the frame rate. Also simply decrease the code rate over here. Now once you do that, the file size will be decreased. Now tap on this option export that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here it is being exported. Simply wait for a while. Now the video has been exported. Now you can simply go to your photos application. Now once you do that, you can simply open the video that you exported. Now you can see over here the size has been compressed to 3.5 MB. So like this you'll be able to compress the size. So that is how you compress video on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.